Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. So we are still under quarantine and I'm unable to go out and fly anything larger than micros, but thankfully I'm still able to receive packages like this one from DHL. Anything that goes to our post office, unfortunately, we're going to have to wait until lockdown is over and we can go to the post office, but at least this one is delivered right to my door. So let's go check out this package from Makerfire. Got a free face mask. These are the replacement motors I got for my Emax TinyHawk S and an AOKoda CX610 charger, and the rest are just bubble wrap. That's really nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. This is the AOKoda or AOKoda, I don't know how to pronounce that. This is the AOKoda CX610 1S charger. And it comes with these PH2 to JST connectors and some PH2 to micro lossy connectors, which is really quite nice. Comes with a manual, but let's take a look at the actual product first. So there are two buttons here. There's an XT60 connector here, and we will be powering this up in a little bit. Okay, so I already have this UltraPower UP-S6 charger for 1S, and the reason that I got another charger is because this one only can only handle up to around 18S, which is maybe you can plug in a 4S charger. But if you're on the field, you have a 6S charger, or if you have a 24-volt power supply, then unfortunately you're out of luck. This will throw you an error that it'll throw you an overvoltage error. And I really wanted to get rid of my 12-volt power supply and just keep one power supply, which is 24 volts for my ISDT, and which is why I was looking for a charger that could handle up to a 6S voltage or 24 volts, and I believe this one can go up to 27 volts. So let's just put that aside for now. So looking over the general appearance of this, it's longer and slightly shorter than the UltraPower UP-S6, and it only has a PH2 and PH 1.25, I think, or an MCPX and MCX ports. It doesn't have a port for micro lossy, but that's not really important for me. Actually, I'll probably just be using the PH2 connectors. So it has three on here and 3 on top. And over on this side, you can see that there is a micro USB port and a regular USB port. You can power this charger using the micro USB port. Just plug in your micro USB there. And you can also charge your phone or any other USB device with the USB out. So that is a really nice feature that this thing has. So let's just plug in a 6S battery, which I have here, and see that it has a really nice LED. Okay, so this one can go up to 1 amp as well. Anyway, let's just plug in a battery so that the light turns red. I have no idea what this is, but I assume it's charging at 1 amp. Okay, so a short press of this button sets your cutoff voltage. So let's say I want to have a low battery cutoff voltage of 21. And we just press, oops, or 20.5, sure. Okay, so that's our low power cutoff voltage, and we press the enter key to save that. And then if you want to change your charging voltage, you press this right button and then use this to change the setting. You can set it to 1 amp and then press the enter button again to save that. So now it has a low voltage cutoff of 20.5 and it's charging at 1 amp. Now do take note that this only charges up to 4.2 volts, or a standard LiPo battery voltage. It won't charge high voltage or 4.35. But so yeah, that's just a quick unboxing. So if you're going for performance or longer flight times and you'd want to charge your batteries, your high voltage batteries, to 4.35, and unfortunately this charger only goes up to 4.2. But if you want to make sure your batteries last longer, it's been recommended that even if you have high volt batteries, to just charge it to 4.2 volts. So again, it really depends on what you want to use this for. If you're just using 4.2 volt batteries, then this is not going to be a problem. You can just plug in and forget. Right, so hope you like this really quick unboxing. If you do, click on that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you know when I put out new videos. So again, stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic and keep building and keep flying.